Hi everyone, today we're going to butcher a whole duck. This is especially helpful if you want to have some special cuts like duck breast or duck thighs, but your local supermarkets or butchers don't have those cuts or sell them at really high prices. First, we want to remove all of the organs. Then we will trim all of the excess fat, skin, and parts that we don't want to eat, such as the butt. Hi-ya! Okay, next we stand them up, make sure to give them a little dance. Nah, just kidding. We're gonna be working on the wings now. The trick is to find the joint by feeling it. You can try making an incision to check to see if you got it right or not. Once you can see that you're cutting in the right place, it is easy to remove the whole wing. Now repeat, and easy peasy. You're going to have two great cut wings. See? Two great cut wings. Now we move on to the next step, which is the quarter thigh. Again, you want to feel where the thigh muscles are before making the cut. That's because you want to cut as close to the skeleton as possible. It also makes it easier if you take a look inside. You can see where the thigh muscle meets the ribs. All right, we're going to start cutting. The thigh should separate from the ribs. Remember to cut close to the ribs. This is a very delicious part of the thigh. You don't want to leave it behind. Again, cut close to the bone. You can even snap part of it to reveal the joint so that you can cut the bone out easily. The rest should be simple. Delicious. Now, all we have to do is repeat for the other side. The trickiest part is to find where the joint is so you can cut. Remember, you can find the joint with your fingertip or easily snap the quarter thigh out to reveal the joint. All right, next up we have the breast. We're going to start from the side and work our way through the ribs. We're going to try to stay as close to the ribs as we cut. At a certain point, we're going to encounter this tiny piece of bone. Just cut along the bone. Be gentle when you cut next to the cartilage because it is pretty soft. But we can also trim the leftover cartilage that is on the breast after. So don't worry too much about that now. So that's half the breast right there. I'm going to flip it over and we're going to get started on the other half. Just repeat exactly what we did and it should be pretty easy. And it's done. See how little is left on the duck? Great job. Thanks for tuning in. Click subscribe to find out what other cooking tips we have in our corner.